So today we are going to discuss about precision finishing operation. That is lapping, buffing, honing, super finishing, etc. Super finishing is a operation which is done after manufacturing of a product. So look at this. Why do we need of lap? Before the workpiece before lapping and the workpiece after lapping. You can see what are the major difference. The peak and the valley are shown clearly before lapping, and after lapping it is plain, or it is neutralized. Okay, you can see the difference between the workpiece before lapping and workpiece after lapping. It is a major difference that you can see in this picture. Why we need lap, or why we need necessary of lapping. You can see very clearly the peak and valley are seen in the first peak, and it is clear after lapping. So lapping, like oldest method of obtaining finish, loose abrasive function as cutting points. Loose abrasive finds momentary supports lap, relative motion between lap and work. You can see clearly. So lapping is the oldest method of obtaining finish. It remove loose abrasive by cutting points. Okay, loose abrasive finds momentary. So lapping arrangement shown in figure. Okay, the green color indicates the workpiece, and the upper side is the pressure plate, and the up is the down pressure. In the workpiece there is a loose abrasive. So when the workpiece rotate in the loose abrasive, it gets plain. So it gets a super finish. So number one is workpiece on pressure plate, number two is loose abrasive on lapping plate, number three is both plates in rotation. So both plates in rotation, in between the workpiece is located, and the workpiece gets plain after this lapping arrangement. So you can see clearly in the fiction. In the second picture, you can see clearly in the slurry is contained in a retaining wick. The upper is a lap plate which is free rolling particles, and the slurry, below the slurry there is a workpiece. The lap plate get pressurized into the workpiece under the slurry, which normalize the workpiece and clear the rough area of the workpiece, which we get super finished product. Okay, so you can see by the retaining force of the lap plate we can use the slurry to continue the process. So lap material are made of cast iron, such as soft steel, glass, copper, brass, etc. Its point of contact is 0.03 to 0.03 mm. Abrasive of lap material Al2O3 and silicon carbide, chromium oxide, silicon carbide, etc. as per need of grain size. Lapping is performed either manually or by machine. Hand lapping, abrasive powder, lapping medium, machine lapping, bonded abrasive wheel or abrasive powder. It is the main construction features of a lap material. So according to the need we can choose a different type of material of grain size and lap material. Okay, we can function either manually or by machine. The lap can be used either by manually or by machine. Hand lapping we use abrasive powder. In machine lapping we use bonded abrasive wheel or abrasive powder. As in grinding machine we use bonded abrasive wheel, same in the lapping machine we use bonded abrasive wheel or abrasive powder. But in hand lapping we use abrasive powder. It is the major difference between hand lapping and machine lapping. You can see clearly, it is mentioned here. Okay, you get the point to choose the lap material. Second, advantages and its application. Advantages are increased wear life of part, improve accuracy of finish, improve surface flatness, provide better seals and eliminates need for gaskets, valve, etc. Now come to the application. Its application in valve manufacture, automotive industries, pump manufacturers, air compressor industries, where high precisions are needed. We use this type of surface finishing operation. So it is the main important parts you have to remember. Now see how the lapping is used in the valve manufacturing process. You can see the inside parts. Okay, valve manufacturing, automotive industries, air compressor industry and electronic industries. How the product is finished by using lap. Okay. So see how the manufacturers are using this type of things. Now second is honing, a finishing process performed by honing tool. 3 to 12 sets of bonded abrasive stick resin sticks are equally spaced about the periphery of honing tool. So it is a honing tool around which the sticks are equally spread around the periphery of the surface. So see the sticks is shown on the material. So type of motions are basically rotational plus oscillatory axial motion, cross hatch lay pattern of very low surface roughness. So it is made of cross hatch low pattern of very low surface roughness. Cross hatch lay has not only low roughness but also lubricating sticking tendency. Example, piston cylinder arrangement, continuous motion to increase life of piston. Okay, it is made of cross hatched lay pattern of very low surface finish. It is used because lubricant sticking tendency is very necessary in this type of surface roughness. Okay, it is two type of motion. One is rotational plus oscillatory axial motion. Okay, so the honing tool is made of cross hatched lay pattern type. Okay, because lubricating sticking tendency is very needed. Example, you have got piston cylinder arrangement, continuous motion to increase life of piston. Note it very clearly. Rotational plus oscillatory motion are used in this type of motion. Cross hatch lay pattern of very low surface roughness. Okay, so the sticks are equally spread on equal periphery of the surface of the material. So it is an example of honing. Look, the honing stick is bored in the piston. You can see clearly the honing tool. Around the golden are the sticks, honing sticks. The silver part is the base of the metal around which the honing sticks are sticked, and it is grouped into the piston cylinder. The black type of pipe is the hose which gives lubricant to the honing tool. Okay, clearly it is used in automobile industries to super finish the bore of the piston. Application used for external and flat surface but commonly used for internal surface, especially cylinder. You can see diameter, it is for diameter roundness, diameter straightness, axial straightness. So these type of operations are used. diametric roundness, diametric straightness, axial straightness. So it is the basically application of Horning tool. Okay, please note it that it is used for external and flat surface but commonly used for internal surface and especially cylinder, diametric roundness, diametric straightness and axial straightness. So next we come to advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are high accuracy used for both long and short bore. Any material can be finished regardless and hardness, good surface finish. Disadvantages are its cost, tool cost is very high and tool wear is very high. Some important curve. So metal removal rate versus roughness. When roughness decreases, metal removal rate increases. And second, honing time versus roughness. When honing time increases, metal removal rate increases and roughness decreases. Ideal time you have to set according to the honing time. Okay, so it is the honing curve. One is metal removal rate versus roughness, and second is honing time versus roughness. Okay, so you have to know the advantages and disadvantages. It is very important in exams. And second is important curve. You have to know how the material removal increases when roughness decreases. It is basically this type. Second, we have to come super finish processing is super finishing process. It is almost similar to honing process, only few changes. Rapid and shortness strokes of super finishing tool, high frequency, low cutting speed and low cutting pressure, removes chatter marks, fluid marks, imperfections. Bonded abrasive tool does not face problem like chip, clogging, incurred space, no chips, blur of high frequency oscillation. Okay, it removes chatter marks, feed marks and other imperfection left by previous grinding operation. After grinding operation, we have to do super finishing operation. It is very much similar to honing process. Just like honing process, it is also similar, only few changes that are listed below. Okay, you have to note it and use according to the need of material. Bonded abrasive tool does not face problem like chip clogging, incurred space, blur of high frequency oscillations, etc. We have to know what are the difference between honing process and super finishing process. So next comes buffing. Buffing is a high luster precision machining operation. Buffing is a type of polishing operation. Buffing will like is a wheel covered with butting compound. Butting compound chosen as per requirement of main purpose finishing to small amount metal removal like negligible MMR. Buffing compounds stitch bright duster cleaning surface used for whiteboard. Scotch-Brite, how we use Scotch-Brite in cleaning the utensil just to clean it. Similarly, buffing is also used to clean the abrasive particles from the material. And when we use duster, we also clean the duster, not only the surface but clean the surface. So similarly, it is made of disc of nylon or cotton which is pressed against the metal to remove any type of imperfection and make it super finish. Okay, buffing is a type of polishing operation. Buffing wheel is wheel covered with butting compound. Butting compound chosen as per requirement of job. Main purpose finishing are very small amount of metal removal, negligible metal removal rate. In here we not needed to remove metal removal rate. Look, these are the buffing wheels which are pressed against the workpiece, which is made of linen, cotton or other product. It is pressed against the workpiece to remove the surface roughness. Okay. Thank you for watching it. You have understand all of the important points of surface finishing operation. Thank you.